Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. What we hear now, they say Bayern Munich don't table £95 million package. Get see that they prepare them to sign Declan Rice. Get and all this one are in the midst of Arsenal interest for the same Declan Rice. So Florian Plettenberg, where they work for Sky Sports, come outside and let us know say Thomas Tuchel already called Declan Rice for phone some days ago. So two of them don't discuss. You don't sell the Bayern project to the player. The player said when they get double minds. So, okay, maybe I will go Bayern, or if na Bayern will meet the valuation of West Ham, maybe I will go there. Whereas Arsenal, they respect the wishes of West Ham, say make them no contact the player, make them no discuss anything until say they prepare for the UEFA Europa Conference League final match against Fiorentina. They say after that match, then they can discuss everything because they don't want anything which could make the player lose focus from the primary duty, which is the final match of that UEFA Europa Conference League match. So that's what we are seeing. So I don't understand why Bayern can rush go to talk to the player. So we just watch how everything go. And maybe that's why they turn and say a player can come in the front and say A and go for back go to talk B. That's all what we are saying. Again, so it's say the player don't they get change of mind. All those talk about say hey, family they don't want live in family. Other one are bobo. If one senior man come from outside, even if it's Germany or Spain now, the guy feel wrong go there. So we just watch how everything will end. Whether Arsenal will still get the guy because Arsenal own they prepare a £92 million package. Bayern Munich they prepare a £95 million package. But the money is not the issue now. The structure of the payments, how much each club will pay up front, because all those money is not going to be paid up front. There will be add-ons included, so we can see how much be the upfront fee, because that one might be the main factor. Just be like when Arsenal and Chelsea go for Mudryk, our package and their package they almost similar, it's almost identical, but now the upfront fee gets now make the difference. We make Chelsea can't get the player, so let's just see how everything will end. We know that Arsenal will let Bayern come carry this player from under their nose. Alright, so also the year also David Einstein come they tell the NBC Sports about Nancy Declan Rice. Because they just say as of now, they get forget everything, Tuchel, Rice, they don't talk. So no agreements in place for anybody now. Arsenal are the favorites on paper, but for the fact say they are delaying, they never open talks, you go make other clubs come enter the fray. But Arsenal no be say they like to delay, they are just following the instruction of West Ham. Say I beg me I no contact the player I get until after our final match. So that is why I come here and say Arsenal they do themselves. They are not dulling, they just they wait. So this is a waiting game. But Bayern they don't get patient because Bayern are worried about Arsenal because on paper now Arsenal be the favorite because they don't follow the player for a very long time. In fact, Chelsea now we don't follow the player more than us, but because of FFP, get all this financial fair play policy, so Chelsea need to sell players before they can buy. Otherwise, the hammer will hit them. Go if we give them ban for more transfer windows. So that's why they're very cautious. Now they don't announce their new coach Mauricio Pochettino, so we'll just see how everything will be resolved. Alright, so for those who are aware, PSG wants Odegaard. They don't even make surprise inquiry to Arsenal. So now, Maritime Spirit, the Metro, the Mirror, Daily Mail, they are all coming out to publish this same story. That PSG, they ask Arsenal how much be Odegaard. So they say Odegaard now untouchable, it doesn't cost anything. They say make sure they don't put any price on head because it's not for sale. Now zero, no even near them. And wait, maybe they bring this news because I said this thing in the evening news of yesterday, but a lot of people were complaining that they don't hear the news well. And because some of my neighbors for their own flats they play high music, so I had to go and wear this earplug there. So that's why the sound don't come out well. So I did sorry about that. Now part of the challenges will be different. I don't feel go another person flat where they tell them say they release music now. Get that to be so. This is what it is. Shaka self don't come aside for Instagram, come repost another thing where another person posts. So they repost 2 goals goodbye, 2 goals for the goodbye. So Talk Sports because that message is a cryptic message. So for Shaka to repost them, for your own Instagram page, it means he don't use style they tell us bye even though he never confirm them officially. Even at that herself they form ignorance. They don't say when they ask them media to say the Shaka is leaving because the Shaka is leaving How do you know? You get say because me I don't know, it's news. It's just like news to me. You get so I thought that the form like saying no they are aware because maybe the guy fit turn around, no can't go again. Like we never really know, get but from what if Fabrizio let us know, say the team almost done and dusted again. And that message which I can post is a cryptic message. You don't confirm am unofficially, so it is what it is. We just have to say goodbye to him. Fabrizio Romano sef don come outside come dey let us know say Bayern Munich no go sign Joao Cancelo because the money wey dey on top dey too high. You get so dem no dey interested, or maybe e no even fit into the player, the coach philosophy for next season. You get no fit into the style of play. So because nobody bring am in the first place, na girls man, that can come from City. City sef no want am. So even more reports from Metro let us know say City sef don reduce the price to like 30-something million pounds. Make somebody just come carry am. So now Arsenal and Barca na im for the running. You get so before Arsenal dey fear say maybe City go block the move, but City no really send. You get so if na wan carry am, make na carry am. That one no mean so if we wan win title, we no go win title again because City sef dey look for more players to buy. So Arsenal sef dey reason the guy because Fabrizio Romano sef don come outside dey talk say this Cancelo dey for Arsenal list. Because I put out a list of transfer options, get with a scale of preference in name day there. So the fee come for them at the end of the day. So as long as I say the price, they okay. Barca sef need to sell before they can buy because of this FFT, I mean financial fair play on this thing. So that is what it is. So we just watch how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Leicester City they hope for a bidding war for medicine, get so because Arsenal they interested, Newcastle they interested. So initially them they hope they get like 50 million pounds for a head because they don't go relegation. But according to what we are hearing from reports out there, many sources, it doesn't Leicester go even feel collect 30-something million pounds or 40 million pounds. But they hope say maybe a bidding war will drive the guy value go up. Because just like what is happening to Declan Rice, before you know that the value go rise to 100, 110, 120 million pounds. You get and all those ones now with add-ons, now the thing go extend. You get so we just watch how everything go end at the end of the day. Whether Arsenal will really go back for medicine, if they really go back, I will like them, get. But if they don't get medicine, even if not James Ward-Prowse, that one self, not the same price. When they buy all the guy now, they must buy this guy. If you bring 35 million pounds and give less, and they will give you medicine, get because the guy never want to play for championship. That one na shola. If you carry 30 or 25 million pounds, go Southampton, give them for James Ward-Prowse, they will give you the guy. So that one na shola. So not just watch how everything will end. More know who and who Arsenal they officially go for. Just keep your fingers crossed and keep your eyes wide open. When I'm monitoring spirits that they call Liquid, one come outside and let us know say Man City's Pep Guardiola don't contact Neymar. You get see they would like to sign Neymar, see they're asking for his state of mind and wanting to know everything about him. One of our legends in the past, Dr. Simo, will even sign the Neymar. Say the guy will make sense for our side. Many Arsenal fans say the guy get an ego problem, so we don't go fit handle him. Some say we're supposed to handle him. Say if I think I don't fit handle him, that means we don't fit handle players with ego, like different diverse opinions. But it's just the interesting. Say Man City they try to bring Neymar to the EPL with all the stars at their disposal. They are still trying to bring more. This Man City, now wow. Alright, so for those who know they are aware, so Barca put Ferran Torres on the transfer wish list. Get say the one seller. You don't know for transfer list to get so I want to say that they try to offset some players, try to sell them off to recoup funds and reduce that their financial fair play wahala because they still they look to bring Messi. Even Javi said come outside talk say you don't call Messi. Say two of them don't discuss. Get say now Messi hand the day now. Even the president said everybody they anticipating maybe Messi will choose them at the end of the day as a free agent. But now the salary they will give her, now it will be key. Because Messi they really say maybe may just go Asia or may just go MLS. Get I mean just constantly for top flight football. So we never really know. So Arsenal signing Ferran Torres in the past, we don't reason the guy before so one sign him or Barca blocked the move. Now it's available. I think Barca got him from Man City and it's available for cheap. 17 million pounds, between 20 to 25 million euros. 9 Barca the talks they want for the guy because they just want to come out the guy gets. Maybe then they create space, get they come out and they look for other people. Some of their players don't do on the transfer list already. But just the watch, and then they need to buy player because Sergio Busquets has retired, so they need to replace that place. Even though they say they use the junk, but they still want to buy more players. They want to buy Ruben Neves. They want to buy many. They are looking at different players with different profiles. So we just watch that Arsenal will swoop in for Ferran Torres because we need cover on the wings. So let's just see how things will unfold. Edu Gaspar said don't come outside and talk say next season say Arsenal will be title contenders. Yes, they no go be one season wonder because Many people in the press, they call they ask am, especially ESPN Brazil, when grant interview, they call they ask am about next season. I will be, are we going to compete for the title, or maybe not just one season one? That is why I didn't give that answer. But they let everybody know, say we finished 5 points behind Man City, which is something remarkable, and we need to buy get, because if you talk say the mentality at Arsenal has shifted get. We are not really looking at top 4 again as an achievement. People want to win something again, so that is a remarkable thing again. It shows top 4 should be a norm, which is what I've been advocating for since. So this since transfer window, we need to strengthen. You don't confirm, say we will buy. You got to say no, we even travel go Brazil again. You want day for England here, making the liars with the Mateta, because this transfer window is going to make or break us again. So now make or man again. So we must make sure say we buy correct players, because Ateta has said we want to buy excellence. We don't want to buy mediocre players. Say no to mediocrity. So this time around, buying men because we know next season is going to be a banger. Next season is going to be tougher. Everybody is strengthening. Mauricio Pochettino now the reason Lukaku saying come back for Chelsea, saying we know how to manage it. Then they discuss now. Everybody is buying. Everybody is strengthening. Look at Man City with what they get. They still want strength. They won't bring Neymar. So when you say next season, Newcastle gone. They try to bring confirm men. So next season. You see that top 4, even if that top 4 will be miracle. So for you to do it for top 4, you must be at the top of your game. So people just watch how everything will end. Just be very, very optimistic and hyped up. So this season transfer window will prepare us for next season. Alright, so what we're going to hear now be say Arsenal, they plan to rival PSG for Asensio. Not only Arsenal, AC Milan and PSG, everybody the reason like Asensio because it's going to be a free agent. So everybody they prepare offer. So Arsenal said they prepare their own offer to give the boy, because I don't say in the past they were interested in him. They say no, I want to sign a new contract, I want to sign a new contract. At the end of the day, he can reason say they no go give him don't play time again, because if you check the way Real Madrid they set up, they use Rodrigo and Vinicius on the wing. Sometimes they go use Fede Valverde on the wing, so there is no space for him to come in and express himself. So nobody to sign contract with the issue. Not everybody like to stay for bench to win title. So you want to try other challenge for outside. So Arsenal, I wish we can get him. He's a very nice player, very explosive player on the wing. So we'll just see how everything will end at the end of the day. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.